Hello, welcome to all of you in Pavda classes. This is your English class. आज की अपनी इस वीडियो में मैं आपको कराऊंगी द रोड नॉट टेकन के क्वेश्चन आंसर। इससे पहले मैं रोड नॉट टेकन के वर्ड नोट्स भी करा चुकी हूँ, समरी भी करा चुकी हूँ और आरटीसी भी करा चुकी हूँ। उसको मैंने वेल एक्सप्लेन कर दिया इन इंग्लिश एंड इन हिंदी बोथ। तो आज की अपनी इस वीडियो में मैं आपको कराऊंगी क्वेश्चन आंसर। ये शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर भी हैं और लॉन्ग भी हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, डिस्क्राइब द टू रोड्स दैट ऑथर कम्स एक्रोस। आंसर है, वाइल वॉकिंग थ्रू ए फॉरेस्ट द पोइट कम्स across a point where the road forks into two. Both the roads are covered with fallen leaves. One goes in undergrowth and the other seems to be less traveled and grassy. समरी की हिंदी बता दी थी, तो इस क्वेश्चन के आंसर की हिंदी भी सेल्फ क्लियर हो जाएगी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच रूट डज द स्पीकर चूज वाई। आंसर है, द पोइट फाइनली chooses the second road, which was grassy and less traveled by people. Actually, this shows that the poet loves to face challenges in life. A beaten path is an ordinary one that does not offer many surprises, wonders, or challenges. The poet is ready to face all those risks and challenges, and so he decided to take the second road. Question third, does the speaker seem happy about his decision? Answer, the speaker does not seem to be happy about his choice. He regrets to have taken up the road that was less traveled. That's why he tells about his choice with deep breath and says that has made all the differences. Next question, fourth question. What is the symbolic significance of diversions of roads in real life? Answer, through the symbol of the diversion of roads, the poet draws our attention to the real life situation we come across in everyday life. When we face the difficulty, we have to make a choice and take a long time in deciding as to which option should we go to. Next question, fifth question. Why did the poet finally choose to go on the other road? Answer, the poet seems upset firstly. Walking on the already beaten path like ordinary man is not in his nature. He wants to take risk and face challenges to prove his worth. That's why he finally decided to go on the other road. ये शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन थे, ये सारे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन हैं। अब आते लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन। राइट ए नोट ऑन द थीम ऑफ द पोएम द रोड नॉट टेकन। Answer, through the poem The Road Not Taken, Robert Frost speaks of one of the basic problem of making the right choice, the correct decision. The dilemma faced by the poet in making his choice is the dilemma that we all face at some point in our life. There are alternatives and man has to decide on only one of the options. The two roads in the poem are symbolic of the confusion we face while making our decision in life. Once a decision is taken, it cannot be undone. Only the future will tell whether the decision we took was right or wrong. Last question, long question of this poem. Justify the title The Road Not Taken. Answer, the title The Road Not Taken is apt and justified. It directly relates to the theme of the poem and also shows the poet regrets for choice made in the past. Although a simple event, the poet describes a larger meaning. The road symbolizes opportunities. The road not taken signifies the opportunities not availed in life and the poet regrets thereon. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये थे CBSE 9th क्लास पोएम रोड नॉट टेकन के क्वेश्चन आंसर, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस। अब मैं मिलूँगी आपसे अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। आप पवधा क्लासेस को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कीजिए ताकि आपके पास न्यू वीडियो के नोटिफिकेशन आते रहें। अब मैं मिलूँगी आपसे अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन गुड बाय, जय माता दी।